Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin and I love makeup. I also like lifestyle, so today's video is a lifestyle video, an unboxing if you will, from FabFitFun. This is the fall box. This is my first time getting one of these boxes. I've watched other people try them out on YouTube and I want to try it for myself. This is one of the things I've been able to get because of my low buy or my personal budget that I've been on with makeup. If you've been following my what's new and what's through in my makeup collection monthly series, you know what I'm talking about. If not, I'll leave a playlist up in the card so you can check it out. So without further ado, let's see what I got in the box. Before we get too far into the video, if you have not already, please click that subscribe button and the like button. Both help me out so much. I upload videos 2 times a week. It's completely free to subscribe and I would love to have you here on the channel. So, I actually know everything that's in this box. I know, right? It's not a mystery. The initial box was, I think, $30, maybe $39. Can't remember, sorry. I'll look and let you know here, leave a little like description, title, something in the video. But I decided to spend a little bit more because if you sign up for the year-long subscription, these come out quarterly, so 4 in a year, 1 each season, summer, fall, spring and winter. You could pick all your items, and I wanted to pick all my items for this because there's some stuff that comes in these boxes that's like I just wouldn't be interested in, so I want to make sure I got stuff I wanted. I think after the initial price break that you get for the first box that they're $50 after that, but again, I'll look it up and leave it either here or in the description below if you're interested in the box. But I bought this myself with some of the money that I didn't spend on makeup because I wanted to try it. And I don't even remember what I got, so this will be fun. So first off, we have a little card here for $15 off your first box. So I will put this here if you want to pause the screen if you're interested in trying the box yourself. And yeah, so I'm gonna get 4 of these because I paid for the year subscription so that I could choose all my items. I think otherwise you could only choose like 3 or 4 of your items, but if you paid for a full year subscription, you could choose all your items. So that's what I did. Comes with a catalog here that's going to tell me all about my items, I believe is what the purpose of this is. There's also recipes in here. Banana bread bars and pumpkin spice collagen latte. Okay, I'll take it. That sounds up my alley. Ooh, listen, there's like recipes and stuff in here. Okay, so far I don't see anything about the items in this catalog, so I guess this is more just like a membership, recipes, other things that they're selling, because they do have sales other than just the boxes that you can get stuff online. Talks about skincare, home decor, so I don't know, I'll have to look more at the catalog later. Let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so we've got some random little like freebie things here. Here's Bright Sellers. They give you a little certificate here to start. I get Bright Sellers and that is delicious. It's a wine subscription. It's one of the other things I've gotten with the money that I've saved not buying makeup, and I've really enjoyed it. I will link in the cards. I've got a vlog of hosting a wine tasting party. That's something my family likes to do once a month and get together with charcuterie board and snacks and just have a good time. So if you're interested, I'll leave that in the cards. They also give you a coupon for HelloFresh. I get that from time to time, but frankly, it's too expensive on a regular basis in my opinion. So I just get it when they do like the 75% off, and it's like $14.95 or something like that for the meals, for like 3 meals, 2 portions each. And then I cancel it after that because I'm not paying $60 a week. I'm not doing it. I can grocery shop and cook for less than that. By the way, if you've noticed that my makeup and outfit look familiar, or like you've seen it recently, you have. I'm pre-filming. It happens. I know some people are very like, ooh, you need to change your clothes and your hair and make it look like a different day, whatever. I don't care. Like when I watch people, even if I notice, it's like, okay, you like have a life outside of filming. It's fine. I don't know how you guys feel about that. I guess let me know in the comments below if you're just really, really, really upset that I didn't change clothes today. So the first thing I got, I remember getting, it's from Purlisse. This is the Pumpkin and Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. I love masks so much. Do I have plenty of them? Yes, but They basically, the way they set it up is you go on the website and you get a choice of like 5 different items and you have to pick one of them. So of the items on that page, this was the thing I was most interested in. And then you can add more than one thing on that page for an additional price if you want. I didn't do that this time. So this is a full size. It looks really, really nice. It's got pumpkin with vitamin C. Ginger helps reduce inflammation and even skin tone. Hi, that's me in a nutshell. I have so much redness when I don't have makeup on. I know you can't tell right now. And white clay to tighten skin and purify pores. I have large pores, gunk gets in them, I get blackheads. So this just sounded perfect to me. And it's pumpkin for fall, so it's a win-win-win situation here, guys. Next up, I got the Replenishing Moisture CC Cream. So this is supposed to be for your hair. Here it is. Obviously, with me like bleaching my hair and stuff like that, I want to make sure it stays nice and strong. So this is a leave-in conditioner product. Says it helps with moisture, shine, smoothness, softness, UV protection, manageability, strength, anti-breakage, heat protection, and light hold. Hence the 10-in-1 complete correction leave-in. So I have tons of leave-in conditioners. I didn't really need another hair product, but again, of the items on that page, this looked the most interesting to me. I've never heard of Alterna. What's the name of the brand up there at the top? Let me know if you've heard of it. Never have before. But you just apply this to your clean, towel-dried hair, style as desired. Can also be used as a finisher on dry hair for added perfection. So when I'm wearing my, 2-3 day dry shampoo hair situation, you could use this as a finisher as well. So we'll see. If you care to hear any more about these products and updates as far as the more cosmetic side, let me know and I'll keep you updated in a future video. Ooh, I'm excited about these, you guys. So these are from the brand Fry. I've never heard of the brand, but they're boot socks. And I love boot socks. And I love wearing tall boots in the winter and in the fall. Now, here in the US, I live in Ohio. It's not really fall season yet. It's like halfway through October and it's 83 today, 83 degrees Fahrenheit. It's hot, okay? It's not cool. So I think this is the last week that we're gonna have heat like that, and then the highs will be more like 63, 65, which is a little bit more fall, right? So these are a bamboo blend, and it's 2 pairs of boot socks, just a black and a gray pair, but I needed some, we go through socks, they get holes and rips and tears and you have to get new ones. So I figured I would just go ahead, since I was getting the box, and get them here instead of having to go out to the store and buy them. They feel really, really nice. Says they're breathable, silky bamboo blend. Next up from Dr. Rogers is this Restore Lip Balm. Lip balm. I almost always put on a lip balm before bed and sleep with it because my lips just get really dry at night. I'm not a mouth breather, so I don't know why they're so dry, but it just seems like at night they get really dry. So I like to put on some chapstick. The chapstick I'm using right now, I've almost gone through a whole tube of chapstick, believe it or not. So I figured, okay, that's a choice. I'll go ahead and get that so that when that one runs out, I've got another one up on dock. Next up from the brand Babe Lash, we have the Pro Lash Lifter. So this is a pair of eyelash curlers. If you've been watching me for any length of time, you know that I had to throw a pair of eyelash curlers out fairly recently, within the last month or two, because this little band thing wore out and I was curling and I didn't know that the metal had cut all the way through the rubber band, and so metal hit metal and it literally, like a pair of scissors, cut off like half of my lashes. They were so short on this side. They have finally grown back with the help of a Lash Food Collagen overnight product, but I threw that pair out because you might say, well, you can replace these. Okay, but I had replaced it and it still did that, and it hadn't been a super long time since I replaced it. So I just got rid of that pair of eyelash curlers altogether. I don't know how old those things were. My mom gave them to me. I mean, they're probably 15 years old, honestly, so it's fine. I have another eyelash curler I've been using in the meantime. I think that one's a Revlon brand and that one's fairly new, but it's never a bad thing in my mind to have a backup, because let's be honest, sometimes these things grow legs and you can't find them. So it's nice to have a second pair around. And it does come with a little replacement of the little black band as well. All right, next up, I don't think I picked this, did I? Maybe there's items in here even more than what I picked, because I don't remember picking anything Heineken. What is this? No, I absolutely did not pick this. Okay, so this says 21 plus. This is a lager beer from Holland. It's like a little tiny baby beer. I did not pick this, I swear to you. But it says that it's alcohol free. Heineken is an alcohol brand, but apparently this is an alcohol free premium quality beverage. So what's it supposed to taste like? Does it taste like Heineken? Like, does it taste like a lager, but it's no alcohol? Interesting. This is a company from Holland. If you're not familiar with Heineken, they're from Amsterdam in Holland. Yeah, I don't know. It's an alcohol-free. Yeah, the ingredients say water, malted barley, hop extract, and natural flavors. So apparently they make something that tastes like beer that isn't alcohol. Has no alcohol in it. Who knew? I don't know. How many, does it say how many calories are in it? Let's get real here, okay? Because we don't need any extra calories. It doesn't say. Interesting. I don't know about that one, you guys. It's definitely interesting. I mean, I'll try it, but I don't really like lager anyway. I don't know. That's just so weird. That's strange to me. I don't know what you guys think. Okay, so next up is an item from the brand called the Two Bandits. And this is a tiered catch-all tray. So it looks like this, and you just spin them out and you put things in there. So I thought it'd be nice for jewelry, any little trinkets, makeup, things like that, and it's just a little organizer. All right, so next up is an item from Mia Melange, I think is how you pronounce it. I did pick this, and this is just a little storage, like tote situation. Just like a little basket that you can put blankets or anything like that in there. And you just put it out and fill it. It's a foldable cotton basket. Nothing more really to say about that, but I do like to have like blankets and pillows and things like that out for guests, so I thought this could be cute for storage. And we're down to our last item, you guys. I feel like this is a pretty good bargain. Like, I feel like that's a lot of stuff, not only for the intro price that I paid, but for the regular price of, like I said, I believe it's $50 normally. That's a lot of stuff that you definitely wouldn't get price if you paid it normally. So the last thing, super excited about. I've been wanting one of these. So when I saw it was an option, I was like, that's it, I've got to have it. So this is a Dutch oven, the brand Golden Rabbit, and it has a stainless steel rim, durable and lightweight, non-stick fused porcelain finish. You can cook it with the stovetop, you can put it in the broiler, or you can bake it in the oven, grill, you can cut on it, it's fine. They're made to withstand extreme temperatures, and most importantly, it's dishwasher safe. We love dishwasher safe things in this household. So here's the Dutch oven. The pattern's kind of cute, right? There it is. Let me see if it says how many quarts it is, like how much it holds here. I don't see that on here, but here's the lid that comes with it. I think it's really cute. I love the fact that you can do it on the stove top, or you can bake in the oven with it. I've wanted a Dutch oven for such a long time because there's so many things like French onion soup that you make in these that I love, especially in the fall time. So I just thought it was the perfect addition to this box to pick. All right, guys, that is everything in the box. I would love to hear in the comments below if any of you subscribed to this box, what you think of the things I got. What was your favorite thing that I got? I think, what's my favorite? There's so many things. I think the Dutch oven is my favorite. I was really looking forward to that, but I'm excited about the boot socks too, to be honest. Thanks so much if you've watched all the way to the end. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you back on the next one. Bye.